To create the research agent, you first need to go from the Buzzli dashboard to the agents marketplace. In the agents marketplace, just select the research agent and create it. You can even check out the setup guide which has been provided while you try creating the agent. Then you just need to give a name to your agent and click on next. Then you can add your topics on which the agent will create the content. For example, over here, you can add personal branding and even add multiple topics. Once that is done, you just need to select the sources through which your AI agent will do the research. It can be articles, academic papers, data, statistical information, or you just give AI the full control of choosing the best sources. You can even choose a citation style, inline numbered, end of post, or no citation in the post. Over here, you need to select the format of your LinkedIn post. It can be text, carousel, text plus image, or carousel only. Over here, I've selected text. Once you select text, you can even choose different options for customizing your LinkedIn post. Your language, style, target audience, goal, tone, word count, etc. Once this is done, just click on next. Then you need to select the frequency with which the AI agent will create your content, your LinkedIn posts, which can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Over here, we've selected the days of the week and the time of the week during which the agent will create your content. Once this is done, you just need to select if you want to auto-publish on LinkedIn or receive email notifications once the agent has created the content. Then create your agent. Once the agent is ready, you can have a look at your agent in the Your Agents tab. And when you click on the agent, you'll be able to see the details of the agent as well. And if you want to try out the agent and see how the content is, you can scroll down and click on Run Agent Now. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes for the agent to create the content. And if you want to see the post, you can just come back to Your Agents tab, click on the agent and scroll down to see the post. All your posts will be created within that agent. You can even save the LinkedIn post to draft if you want to, or make changes wherever you like and post to LinkedIn directly as well. If you choose the post format as carousel, the agent will create the caption, which you can see over here, as well as the carousel design, which you can tweak further and download as PDF or post to LinkedIn directly. And that's how you create your research agent.